Hello. Today I'm busy transplanting little seedlings. This is an annual called a toothache plant, Babylonstoren Acmella. So I'm going to just show you what the root action looks like here. Happy plants. So what we're going to do is break them up into decent sized plants, but what I need to find is just nice plants that have enough root balls to them so actually can plant very happily over. So I'm really just teasing these little seedlings apart and trying to see what comes naturally loose. Beautiful roots there, it's divine. So this needs to really go down into the pot. So I make a little hollow there, tuck them in, put a bit of soil in, zigzagging it in so it's comfortable right in the middle, and then topping it up. So again, the depth is so important, same as what was sown has to be in the plant pot. Very slight tapping in, and then we'll water this. The toothache plant, I hope it grows fast because it's an annual from Peru originally. These little leaves are actually yummy to eat, and they kind of give you this slight narcotic feeling, sensation in your mouth. The other name for them are electric daisies. And the flower buds, when they appear, you can actually seriously use for toothache. It's a wonderful natural remedy. So how good's that?